Rolex, founded in 1905 in London, became the global standard of precision, durability, and luxury. The Daytona line, introduced in 1963, was designed for professional racing drivers seeking chronograph accuracy. The Tiffany Dial edition adds rarity and exclusivity with its signature turquoise blue dial. The Tiffany Dial Daytona is highly sought after by collectors worldwide due to its unique dial color, limited production, and historical association with Rolex's racing heritage. The oyster steel 904L case is 40 millimeters, corrosion-resistant and polished to a mirror finish. Every contour is designed for elegance, comfort, and durability. The fixed bezel features a laser-etched tachymeter scale, allowing precise speed calculation. It balances aesthetics and functionality. The turquoise Tiffany dial is unique to this edition. Luminous markers and chronograph subdials provide high legibility. Each hand is precisely aligned, reflecting Rolex's meticulous craftsmanship. The Daytona's 3 subdials track hours, minutes, and seconds. Each sweep is perfectly smooth, ensuring accurate measurement for racing or daily use. Inside, the Rolex Caliber 4130 automatic movement powers the watch. With 44 jewels and a Paracram hairspring, it offers 72 hours of power reserve and extreme precision. Every gear, wheel, and spring is hand-positioned under a microscope by skilled watchmakers. This ensures flawless chronograph performance. The escapement mechanism regulates time accurately. Each balance wheel is calibrated to exact specifications for smooth and precise motion.